What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Charting Crypto. Here we have Goldfinch or GFI, which is up 5.1% today at $3.39. We have a $256 million market cap with 75 million coins in circulation out of 114 million. All-time high was 2 years ago at 32.94. We're down 89.7% from that all-time high. All-time low was a year ago. If you would have bought a year ago, you'd be up 10x. I believe that all-time high was when the coin initially launched too. Yeah, initially launched and then rugged, and now it's starting to come back to life. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on GFI. All right, ladies and gentlemen, GFI. So GFI, we just look at the indicators real quick. We're actually losing our bearish momentum. We had a light red candle today, which is showing bullishness starting to work its way in. On top of that, we had the RSI. The RSI looks like maybe we might be seeing a possible double bottom coming in here. One bottom, two bottom for a reversal to the upside. And on top of that, the WTX, similar situation. We got pretty close to the green. We're starting to tail back up from that point on. So in the meantime, this consolidation thing or consolidation phase that we've been experiencing since March 28th, I think might be nearing to a close, because if we look at this uptrend right here in the downtrend convergence area, we are getting very, very close to the peak of this pennant here, boys. And eventually that's coming up on June 10th. So by June 10th, we'll find out what GFI is going to do. It's either to do this or this. You never, ever, ever just go like this through a pennant. I've never, ever seen it. So usually you see a substantial move to the upside or downside, depending on the sentiment of the market. And overall, I think the sentiment is positive for this coin right now, because you're doing pretty much the exact same thing that you did right here. How you consolidated in a pennant, got near the peak. See how you got near that peak and then you just blasted up out of here. It's doing something very, very similar. So I wouldn't be shocked at all if GFI did see a breakout to the upside, and that probably would shoot you up to around 10 bucks. Let's see if there's a fib there. Actually, the fibs will probably give us a little bit more precise information. Yeah, 618's at 6.5. Oh, that would shoot you up to 15 bucks at the 786. So if we did see a breakout from this pennant forming, obviously we'd have to break above $2 or $6.25, which is the 618. You get above the 618. I think the next possible main resistance would be about 15 to 15.75, just to repeat this pattern right here. Boom, 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 and then the hyper bull run kicks in, and this thing goes up to over 100 bucks. But right now, man, I would say by June 10th, GFI should see a move. So not financial advice, might be a good opportunity to DCA here, because every time we've touched the bottom of this uptrend, we've went up. We touched the bottom here, we went up. We just touched the bottom right here. So we have the possibility of heading up to around that $6 and, $6.25, $6.50 here to test that 618. And then 618 is going to be your moon line. You get over that moon line right there, that's when you're going to really start making some money. So GFI is looking pretty dang solid. As always, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.